Hi there, I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep. In today's episode, we're unmasking the secret to making your maintenance, reliability, and operations teams work hand in hand towards a common objective. Stick around as we venture into the first of the 8 pillars of asset operations, and let's unravel the true essence of asset operations. Now, let's face the facts. The existing organizational structures could be working more efficiently. Traditionally, maintenance is all about repairs, reliability is about future issues, and operations focus on the tasks at hand. This kind of division creates not only operational silos, but also data silos. It causes a fragmented approach that leads to a shocking 20% of fieldwork being redone because the initial task was not done correctly due to these informational gaps. Think about the repercussions of these fragmented systems and teams. 70% of companies are not aware of when their equipment needs maintenance or upgrades. Approximately 44% of all unscheduled equipment downtime is due to aging equipment. Even worse, factories lose 5 to 20% of productivity because of this downtime. It's evident that the absence of a unified approach is expensive. That's where AOM, Asset Operations Management, steps in. It brings together maintenance management, asset data, and the company's operational blueprint into a singular command center. This unified system allows maintenance, reliability, and operations teams to work together more effectively and support business outcomes. By adopting an ecosystem approach, Asset Operations Management allows employees to think about assets through their entire life cycle and understand their role in that life cycle. It shifts the focus from just executing tasks to understanding how these tasks contribute to the company's bottom line. Let's look at some numbers to better comprehend the impact. Across our over 3,000 customers, we've seen an average of $23 per hour savings on labor costs, a $5,000 savings on parts costs, and a decrease in unplanned downtime by 10 to 40%. One of our customers even saved $680,000 over 3 years. Asset Operations Management offers a unified view of assets, teams, schedules, and devices, generating data and insights that can be easily consumed and analyzed. It's designed not just for one team, but for how all teams work together. This shift in focus from day-to-day tasks to adding business value is a crucial step in evolving workplace dynamics. Thank you for watching today's video, where we discuss the importance of a unified approach in maintenance, reliability, and operations teams. We also introduced the concept of AOM, Asset Operations Management, and how it can improve efficiency and save costs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. To learn more about our solutions and how they can benefit your business, visit us at upkeep.com. Join us again as we continue to explore the pillars of asset operations and their impact on the next generation of work.